Chocolate nuggets. You don't see chocolate nuggets every day. The chocolate nuggets, does this have a key to it?
Yes, it does.
It says it has the key. So if it has the key, I think I'm going to buy this.
Heavy metal records today. Very, very
Chocolate nuggets, I think that's pretty cool. All right. This guy right here, you said you do have the keys, right?
Yes.
How about 30? You're at 40. I'll take it for 30.
I'll meet you in the middle of 35.
Any red lines in there?
There are, but those are all definitely project cars.
Yeah. 20 new on Amazon. Hey, can I see
Two
the
keys.
Can I see the key? I just want to see what it's like when it opens. Let's do $30.
Sorry?
Let's do $30.
I can't do it. I'm helping you at 35.
32. We'll meet in the middle and call it a day.
How about 34?
No, 32.
35. You can do it.
32.
35.
30. You were already at 34, so we're there at 32.
I'm gonna pass.
Okay, that's fine. All right, I'll find this a new home.
I appreciate it. Are you all set with that?
All set. Yep. Thank you.